In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your mobile devices, whether they're Android or iOS, within Google Workspace. Managing your mobile devices effectively is crucial for maintaining security and streamlining operations within your organization. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this through Google Workspace. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option that says Devices. Clicking on that, you'll see options for mobile and endpoint. And from there, simply select Devices. This will take you to the central hub where you can manage all the mobile devices linked to your Google Workspace account. Now, if you're just starting out and haven't yet linked or set up any mobile devices on your account, don't worry. This is where you will see a list of all devices once they were registered. It's a good idea to periodically check this section, even if you're not adding new devices at the moment, as it provides a comprehensive overview of the devices that are accessing your organizational resources. Once your devices are linked, you'll notice you have several management options at your disposal. This is where you can take actions like signing a user out of a device, removing a device from your network, or even permanently deleting a device from your account. It's important to know these options as they allow you to maintain control over who has access to your organization's data and resources. For instance, if a device is lost or stolen, signing out the user can quickly cut off access, while removing or deleting the device ensures that any sensitive information on that device cannot be accessed if it falls into the wrong hands. Utilizing these management features helps you to enforce proper security protocols. You can also enforce settings like requiring device encryption and enabling screen lock, which add additional layers of security for devices accessing your company's data. Keep in mind that regular audits of device access and activity reports can help identify any unauthorized access attempts or outliers in device behavior. In summary, managing mobile devices in Google Workspace is essential for securing your organization's data. By keeping an eye on your registered devices and knowing how to manage them effectively, you can ensure that only authorized devices and users have access. So, remember to regularly check your dashboard, keep your device list updated, and make use of the available security options. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more informational content on managing your tech environment efficiently. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Have a great day managing your devices.